redemption in the shadow of the night. Wounds that never heal, scars carved in my soul, seeking for an answer in a world so cold. Whispered words of comfort in the silence of despair. The gift of love is needed when life feels so unfair. Walking down this lonely road, searching for a sign, hoping to discover a love that's truly mine. Eyes that speak the truth, voices that don't lie. In the arms of loving kind, we find our reasons why. Whispered words of comfort in the silence of despair. The gift of love is needed when life feels so unfair. Walking down this lonely road, searching for a sign, hoping to discover a love that's truly mine. Eyes that speak the truth, voices that don't lie. In the arms of loving kind, we find our reasons why. Oh, whispered words of comfort in the silence of despair. The gift of love is needed when life feels so unfair. Dust on the mirror, cracks in the glass, counting the moments I let slip past. Fire in my chest, screams to be free, but the weight pushes down on the best of me. Bruises and scars, they tell my tale. Winds of regret like a hollowed out gale, reaching for hands that never reach back, chasing the pieces I still lack. You'll never see what I'm dying to show, shadows in my soul you'll never know, screaming inside for what I could be, but you'll never witness the best of me. Ashes and echoes where dreams used to play, lost in a maze that grows every day. Hope in the gutter, clawing to rise, but the chains of fear keep me tied. I'm more than the cracks, more than the fall, a storm that'll rise and shatter it all. Digging and fighting through oceans of lies, somewhere in the dark the best survives. You'll never see what I'm dying to show, shadows in my soul you'll never know, screaming inside for what I could be, past survives. You'll never see what I'm dying to show. Shadows in my soul, you'll never know.